Okay, so today's video is going to be basically the Smokeless Range 2, the Open Range 2 simulator. I've gone and created a custom course here based on the McQueen Targets competition. So this is the first time obviously I've created this custom course, so I was trying to obviously research some of the rules for the McQueen competition, and I found some resources online. So this is the first sort of like attempt at obviously creating that. Now it's not accurate in terms of the competition rules. I've gone for like a kind of two distances that are pretty sort of like close to the initial sort of like evaluation of this when I was shooting it. It's actually shot at around 200 yards, I think, is the competition rules. Now I found this online, so I'm going to be referencing this back obviously in future videos when we sort of perfect this simulator and courses for the McQueen targets. But this is what I'm hoping to sort of like set the actual constraints on these courses and stages for. And the target itself, I put the target I'm using into the media editor for the targets on Open Range 2, and I've set the scores accordingly. Now the only one I couldn't set was the blue dotted circle, which is a V-ball in the competition rules. There is no option for that in Open Range 2, so I've set that to a score of 10, but the rest is accurate. Now, as I mentioned, when I've done this, I've set it up as a course with two stages, and the distance doesn't obviously correspond with the current match conditions. But I've set the targets to appear within 10 to 20 seconds, which is the match condition, and also have a face time of 3 seconds. Okay, so that was the first distance. Now we're going to pull out the second distance. Again, this is not accurate to the distance for the competition shots. The other thing to bear in mind is I'm also shooting this standing up, where I think the competition is typically shot when you're prone. And also there are 10 targets, 10 shots for 10. Okay, so we'll take a look at the after action report. Now, here's the after action report, and there's one thing to note here. There seems to be a bug in the Open Range 2 where the actual target backdrop is actually disappears on the stage 1. So you can see here that you've got the targets obviously showing the report of the hits, but the actual surrounding target holder is missing. It just seems to be stage 1, so when we look at stage 2, you'll see that obviously it's just showing that in that instance. So not quite sure what's going on there. Must be a bug to report. So here you can see that the target holder is actually showing on stage 2. So strange looking bug. Anyway, so that's pretty much the obviously McQueen's target setup I've got at the moment with the course that I've initially created. I'm going to obviously adjust the rules to make sure it's more accurate. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed that, and if you did, thanks for watching, and catch you next time. Bye for now.